In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the scale command in AutoCAD. Open up the Student Edit Commands worksheet. Make sure the student layer is broadcasting. When you go down to your Object Snap, make sure Geometric Center is selected. Then zoom in to the scale portion of the drawing. And we're going to make these objects look like these objects in size. It says scale all objects 1.5. It says use mid between 2 points as base point. This was before AutoCAD had geometric center, but I'll show you both ways. So I will go up to the scale command, which is in the modify menu of the home ribbon. Click on scale, and it says select object. So I'm going to select this object right here. Okay, now geometric center doesn't show up on this because it's a circle, so I can do two things. I can go mid between 2 points, so we better go down here, and objects better turn on, let's just turn on quadrant. So here's one, and here's one, then it snaps to the center. And then it asks me, specify scale factor. Well, that's our 1.5. Alright, spacebar brings me back into this scale command. Click on this object. Now this object doesn't have a center point because it's not a circle, but now it does because of the geometric center snap tool. So if I click right here, it says geometric center, and I enter 1.5. Spacebar brings me back into the scale tool. Click on that. Now again, this is not a circle, so it doesn't have a circle option. But because we have our geometric center, we can use that. And I'll go 1.5. I'm going to undo both of these. And when we originally scaled this, we used the mid between 2 points. But we don't have to use mid between 2 points. We can go up and we can get shift, right click, center. And we can use the center command. 1.5. Okay, go back, spacebar into the scale command, right click, or left click on those, right click to say I'm done selecting. If I go shift right click mid between 2 points, if I go down here, turn my end point, let's turn my midpoint on. So I go 1, 2, 1.5. That's what we used to have to do before we had geometric center. I'll show you again. Left click, right click to say I'm done selecting objects, shift right click, mid between 2 points, mid, 1.5. That's what we would do before the new tool of geometric center. So if I go back to the scale command, select this object, there's my geometric center. Just click on that, 1.5. Spacebar brings me back in, click on that, right click, geometric center, 1.5. Spacebar brings me back into the scale command. We don't need geometric center for this. We can use the center option, and there it is, 1.5. And that's how you use the scale command.